Generally, in blogging sites, there is a comment section where your readers make comments about the post. And it is a way to interact with your visitors and readers and keep them engaged. You need to be distinguished from your visitors' comments. In that way, all of your visitors will be able to see easily your interaction with other commenters. If your WordPress theme does not have that feature, you can put one with some simple CSS. Hi, I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. Okay, here we can see comments from the visitors and reply from the author. I want the author's comments to be standout, so that anyone can recognize it without looking for it. Let's click Customize. Scroll down to the comment section to see the changes live. Now, click on Additional CSS. I'm gonna target a class called by post author. If you know a little bit of CSS, then you can do whatever you want. If you are not that much of a code savvy, then you can follow me. It's actually very simple. All done. Now hit publish. And it perfectly stands out and is separated from other visitors' comments. Now, if you post a new comment as an author, it will always post like this. So, there you go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And, please subscribe. It inspires us to make more videos like this. If you want a professional WordPress theme for your startup business, please see the description. And I will see you in the next video.